Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write 5th class Maths Magic Workbook Semester 3 Fractions. Worksheet number 10. Subtopic Word Problem and Fractions. First question. Vanaja bought 2 1/4 kg of potatoes and 3 1/4 kg of carrot from a vegetable market. What was the total weight of the above two items? First question. What information is given in the problem? The information of given problem is 2 1/4 kg of potatoes and 3 1/4 kg of carrot. Second question. What will you find? We will find total weight of the given items. Next question. Which process do you follow to solve this problem? Yes, we follow to solve this problem of addition. Next question. Mukunda read 1/4 part of pages in a book on first day. How much part is yet to be read to complete the book? First question. How much was read by Mukunda on first day? 1/4 part of pages. Next question. How much was yet to be read? We must subtract 1/4 part of pages from one book. 1 minus 1/4. What will we do to find? Here we do subtraction. Next question. There are some trees in a garden. Out of them 1/2 part are mango trees and 3/8 in the part are coconut trees. Remaining part are guava trees. Find the part of guava trees in the garden. Yes, part of mango trees 1/2. Part of coconut trees 3/8. Part of coconut trees and mango trees 1/2 plus 3/8. That is equal to 7/8. Part of guava trees. So we must subtract 7/8 from one garden. So 1 minus 7/8. That is equal to 8 minus 7/8. That is equal to 1/8. So part of guava trees 1/8. Shravanti read 2/5 part of a book on first day and 1/7 part on second day. Find how much part is to be read. Shravanti read a book on first day is equal to 2/5. Shravanti read a book on second day is equal to 1/7 part. Shravanti read in both days is equal to 2/5 plus 1/7. LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. So 2/5 into 7/7 plus 1/7 into 5/5. That is equal to 14/35 plus 5/35. That is equal to 19/35. Shravanti yet to be completed. So 1 minus 19/35. That is equal to 35 minus 19/35. So is equal to 16/35. Next worksheet number 11. Subtopic Word Problem and Subtraction. First question. Subtract 1/16 from 1/8. So 1/8 minus 1/16. LCM of 8 and 16 is equal to 16. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1/16. Next question. Subtract 1/18 from 1/9. Yes, 1/9 minus 1/18. So LCM of 9 and 18 is equal to 18. So 1/9 into 2/2 minus 1/18 into 1/1. So that is equal to 2/18 minus 1/18. That is equal to, so difference of like fractions, difference of numerators and by common denominator. So 2 minus 1/18. So So that is equal to 1 by 18. Next question, find the difference between 1 by 2 and 1 by 10. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 10. LCM of 2 and 5 is equal to 10. So 1 by 2 into 5 by 5 minus 1 by 10 into 1 by 1, that is equal to 5 by 10 minus 1 by 10. So that is equal to 4 by 10. Next question, 8 3 by 4 meters of ribbon is cut from 10 meters of ribbon. Find the length of the remaining ribbon. Is total length of a ribbon 10 meters. Cutting length of a ribbon is equal to 8 3 by 4 meters. So this is mixed fraction. So we must convert into improper fraction. 4 8 is 32 plus 3 35 by 4. Remaining length of a ribbon. So is equal to 10 total length of a ribbon 10 meters minus cutting length of a ribbon 35 by 4. So 10 have no denominator. So we put denominator as 1 minus 35 by 4. Next LCM of 1 and 4 is equal to 4. So 10 by 1 into 4 by 4 minus 35 by 4 into 1 by 1. So that is equal to 40 by 4 minus 35 by 4. 10 4s are 40 by 4. 35 1s are 35. 4 1s are 4. So these are like fractions. So difference of like fractions is difference of numerators by common denominator. So 40 minus 35 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 4. So this is improper fraction. We convert into mixed fraction. So 4 1s are 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 meter. So remaining length of a ribbon is equal to 1 by 4 meter. Next worksheet number 12, subtopic decimal fractions. First one, fill in the blanks. Decimal form, whole number part, decimal part. Here 256.85. So in this decimal fraction, 256 is whole number part, 256, and decimal part is 85. Next 819.201. So whole number part is 819, decimal part is 201. Next 951.427. In this decimal fraction, whole number part is 951 and decimal part is 427. Next question, 425.287. Write in words. Next question, place value of 5 in 786.251. So 5's place value is 100th place. We can write as 5 by 100. Next, place value of 2 in 786.251. 2 is 10th place. Next, place value of 1 in 786.251. So 1's place is 1000's place. 1 by 1000's place. Next, fractions having denominators 10, 100, 1000 are called decimal fractions. Next question, 256.567. 256.567. Next question, 656.253. Express in numerals. 656.253. Next worksheet, assessment. This is self-assessment. That's why I don't write any answers here, but I will tell you that answers only you can write. Okay? Yes. First question, write any 5 proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Yes, proper fractions. Proper fractions are 1 by 7, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 4 by 7 and 5 by 8. Like etc. Next, improper fractions. 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 7 by 4, 9 by 5, 16 by 7 57 by 6 and etc. Next mixed fractions 2 1 by 2, 3 2 by 5, 7 3 by 8, 25 3 by 4, like that etc. Next question, classify proper, improper and mixed fractions. So here proper fractions are 2 by 3, 6 by 7. Improper fractions are 9 by 5, 10 by 3. Mixed fractions are 4 1 by 5, 3 1 by 3. Next question, convert 9 by 4 into a mixed fraction. So 2 1 by 4. Next question, convert 2 1 by 5 into an improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. Next to fifth question, write any 3 equivalent fractions for each 3 by 5 and 32 by 24. When we multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, then we get equivalent fractions. For example, 3 by 5 we can multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 15 by 25, 18 by 30, like that etc. And 32 by 24. So we can divide with 2 table, then we get 16 by 12. Next we can divide with 4 table, so we get 8 by 6. We divide with 8 table, so we get 4 by 3. Next write simplest form of fractions for each. 165 by 90, second one is 96 by 120. So here 165 by 90, if we divide both numerator and denominator by its HCF, we get the simplest form of the given fraction. So HCF of 165 and 90 is equal to 15. So we cancellation with 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, and that is 11 by 6. And this one is 4 by 5. Next filling the blanks. First 25 by 35 is numerator and denominator is divisible by 5. So 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Next 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. Next 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14. 10 3s are 30, 10 2s are 20. 8 plus 7 by 8, that is equal to 12 by 8. That is equal to 3 by 2. Next to be 9 by 17 plus 2 by 17, that is equal to 11 by 17. Next to see 5 by 7 plus 2 by 14, that is equal to 6 by 7. Next to D 3 by 8 plus 5 by 7, that is equal to 61 by 56. So it is converted into mixed fraction. So 1 5 by 56. Next ninth, do the following. 8 by 15 minus 4 by 15, that is equal to 4 by 15. Next 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. Next C 15 by 7 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 31 by 21. So we can convert into mixed fraction, that is equal to 1 10 by 21. Next D 3 1 by 5 minus 1 1 by 2, that is equal to 17 by 10. It's convert into mixed fraction. So 1 7 by 10. Next question, Ravi had some money. He spent 1 by 2 part of money on clothes and 1 by 3rd part of money on books. Find the total part of amount he spent. So we can add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 5 by 6. Next question, after watching 1 by 4th part of cinema, Ganesh stopped TV and went to play. Find the part of cinema to be watched. 3 by 4 part of the cinema. We will meet another video with another topic. Until then, bye. Thank you.